tea gardens in eastern Assam have started to boost up its capacity building after COVID-19 has started to make inroads onto the tea gardens. We have this report.
Tea gardens in Assam further boost up its capacity building to tackle mass outbreak of COVID-19. In an effort to check the spread of COVID-19 at the tea gardens in eastern Assam, various social organizations, tea garden managements along with the student bodies have been working tediously to keep the novel coronavirus at bay, in which they have been by and large successful thus far. It is assumed that once COVID-19 makes its way into the tea communities, it might lead to a large-scale outbreak as workers live in close proximity at the workers' colonies. Your channel, Northeast Live, visited the Central Hospital at Longsual in Dumduma, which has been turned into a containment zone after a hospital staff and a patient tested positive for the virus. Currently, the hospital, which caters to the need of 12 tea gardens such as Talab, Khobong, Badlabeta, Pengiri, Hukanjuri, Hilikha, Habjan, Kharjan, Jabuka, Naphu, Sufri and Muthrapur, has only 2 doctors. Till date, 16 COVID cases have been detected in the hospital. Doctors in the hospital informed Northeast Live that workers lack awareness, due to which COVID figures are surging in the tea gardens.
Give us a briefing about the COVID situation in the gardens.
Actually, initially there were not any cases detected for COVID-19. Now, as the time passes on, and the people are not maintaining and following any protocols. The basic minimum protocols of wearing face mask, then social distancing. These are not being maintained. We have been seeing that these protocols are minimum basic safety measures are not being maintained. So the cases are gradually being seen. We have seen that cases are being increasing day by day.
Meanwhile, the representatives of various organizations like ASMS, ATTSA and welfare officers said that they are trying their best to raise awareness in the gardens by distributing masks and educating people on sanitization.
আৰু আমি বগানে বগানে গৈ পোন প্ৰথমতে মানুহখিনিক সোশ্যাল ডিস্টেন্সিং আৰু যিধৰণে হগনাই হাত ধুই থাকিব লাগিব, স্যানিটাইজ কৰিব লাগিব আৰু আমি নিজেই আচ্ছা হিচাপে আমাৰ যিবিলাক ৰাজহুৱা অনুষ্ঠান আছে এইবিলাকত স্যানিটাইজাৰ কৰিছো।
মেনেজমেন্টে আমাক সজাগতাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত যথেষ্ট সহায় আগবঢ়াইছে আৰু সেই হিচাপে আমি বিভিন্ন দল সংগঠন যেনেবা আৰছাই হওক বা আমাৰ এছএমএছএ হওক গোটেইখিনি সহযোগিতাত আমি লাইনে বাগিচাই আমি সজাগতাৰ প্ৰতি লক্ষ্য ৰাখি আমি মানুহখিনিক বুজাইছো, মাস্ক পৰিধান কৰিবলৈ আমি তেখেতসকলক কৈছো।
COVID has now made its entry in the tea gardens of Assam. It has become a major matter of concern because we know that the workers here stay in close colonies and they have been staying like this from ages, from the days of the Britishers. And if immediate and urgent steps are not taken, COVID might take a dangerous turn in the tea estates of Assam. With camera person Praneep, this is Ripunjay Das reporting from Dumduma for Northeast Live.